Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the car player is Android-based and fully booted. This avoids model-specific menus. Next, locate your image on USB, SD card, or internal storage. Remember the folder path so you can find it fast. Once done, open Settings and go to Display or Wallpaper. Different launchers put it elsewhere, so check Home Settings too. If you need files from the web, make sure Wi-Fi is on. If the device blocks storage, enable Developer Options temporarily to grant file access. You now use the Wallpaper Picker. Choose Gallery or File Manager and navigate to the photo you prepared. Once selected, crop the image to the device's aspect ratio. Many car screens use 16:9 or widescreen. Cropping ensures no distortion. Then tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and decide whether to set it for Home, Lock, or both. Cars often only support Home. Make sure to confirm any dialog that asks to replace the current wallpaper, because some launchers require explicit overwrite permission. Finish by returning to the home screen to confirm the new wallpaper appears. If it doesn't, restart the unit. A soft reboot clears cache and applies changes. If problems persist, convert the image to PNG or JPG and resize it to the screen resolution, because incompatible formats can be ignored. Also check launcher permissions and storage access. Clear the launcher cache and retry. If you still see the old image, reinstall or switch to an alternate launcher that respects custom wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.